In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Pandadoc contract. We're going to walk through the entire process, step by step, so by the end, you'll be able to upload a contract, add your signer, place a signature field, and send it out for e-signature confidently. First, start on your Pandadoc dashboard. Look at the left-hand sidebar and find the button labeled New Document. Go ahead and click that. This is how you begin creating any new document inside Pandadoc, whether it's a contract, proposal, or any other file you need signed. Next, Pandadoc will prompt you to choose how you want to create this document. Since you already have a contract file ready, select the option called Select File. This will open a file picker window on your computer. Navigate to the folder where your contract is saved, click on the correct file, and confirm. Pandadoc will upload that file and prepare it for editing and sending. Once the document has uploaded, you'll be taken to a screen where you can add recipients. This is where you specify who needs to sign. Click into the recipient field and enter the signer's email address. If there are multiple signers, you can add each one here as a separate recipient. Make sure each email is correct, because this is where Pandadoc will send the signing link. When you're done adding recipients, click Continue to move on. Now you'll see your contract displayed on the screen with a panel of fields on the right side. From this right panel, find the Signature field. Click and drag that signature field onto the document and drop it exactly where you want the signer to sign, usually at the bottom of the contract. If you have more than one signer, make sure each signature field is assigned to the correct recipient so everyone signs in the right place. When the signature fields are set up, click Review and Send. This is your chance to quickly double-check that the document looks correct, the recipients are added properly, and the fields are in the right spots. Next, you'll be asked to enter a document name. Choose a clear, descriptive name that helps you recognize this contract later, then click Continue again. You'll also see a space to type your email message. This is the body of the email your recipient will receive, so you can briefly explain what the contract is about or add any instructions. Finally, when everything looks good, click Send Document. Pandadoc will email your signer a secure link, and your contract is officially on its way to being signed.